how to save a web page to the files on an iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course you might be browsing your websites. Let's say we're using Safari, which is the built-in web browser, and in order to save it to your files, just click on the volume up as well as the power button to perform a screenshot, right? So it's going to capture the screenshot the regular way, but you don't let it like disappear, but you click it in the bottom left corner to also like to show up in the full page. And in here, we switch it from the screen to the full page mode, which means that the whole thing will be like a huge scrollable screenshot like that, and you'll be able to save it all to your files, right? So you click on it, the done button, the check mark in the top right, and you save PDF to the files. And that's how you can like save the web page to the Files app. Keep in mind, however, that it's best to scroll through the website at first before you capture the screenshot to ensure that all of the elements and all of the images get loaded. Because if you don't scroll through the web page at first, it might happen that you capture the screenshot and even the full one for the whole page, but some elements and some things are simply going to be missing. You're going to end up with a blank page, and that's probably not something that you want. So let me know if you managed to do it and make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming videos so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.